Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get a blueprint in Spaceflight Simulator. Blueprints are essentially saved rocket designs, allowing players to share and import complex builds with ease. They are incredibly useful for saving time, as you can instantly load a fully constructed rocket. This guide will walk you through finding, importing, and effectively using these valuable design files to enhance your SFS experience. To import a blueprint, first, you will need the blueprint's text data. This is typically a long string of characters. Copy this entire text to your device's clipboard. Next, launch Spaceflight Simulator and navigate to the blueprint section, usually found in the Build menu. Look for an Import Blueprint or similar option. Finally, paste the copied text into the provided field, and your new rocket design will appear, ready for launch. Finding blueprints is quite simple, thanks to the vibrant Spaceflight Simulator community. You can explore various online platforms such as Discord servers, which often have dedicated channels for sharing designs. Many YouTube content creators also provide blueprint links in their video descriptions. Additionally, websites like sfsblueprints.com offer extensive, categorized collections, making it easy to browse and download thousands of unique rocket designs for your game. When using blueprints, always ensure they are compatible with your current game version to avoid issues. Feel free to experiment by modifying imported designs. This is an excellent way to learn new building techniques. Don't hesitate to create and share your own unique rocket blueprints with the community. Finally, it is always a good practice to back up your game saves before importing any unfamiliar blueprints, just in case something goes awry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.